Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Mr. Cobalt, and in this video I'm going to go over a second practice problem involving Avogadro's law. And so here is the problem. I'll read it to you in case you have trouble reading it. It said a chemical reaction occurs in a cylinder equipped with a movable piston, and it produces 0.62 moles of a gaseous product. So again, the idea is you have this piston. This piston can go up and down, and inside you have a reaction. It produces a gas. So this piston, based on the pressure of the gas, can move up or down. It can change the volume. Okay, so if the cylinder contains 0.120 moles of gas before the reaction and had an initial volume of 2.18 liters, what is its volume after the reaction? Assume constant temperature and pressure and initial amount of gas completely reacts. So we need to assume constant temperature and pressure, because if those aren't constant, then Avogadro's law doesn't work. And we want to assume that the total amount of gas, the initial amount of gas reacted completely. So we don't have any leftover gas from the reactants. Okay, so what do they give us? They give us moles of the gaseous product. So this is the moles before. Okay. Well, this is the moles produced after the reaction. So this is the moles of gas produced. So this is the moles that we end with. So that's going to be our N2. This is the number of moles before the reaction. So that's going to be our N1. So N1 is equal to 0.120 moles of the gas. And then N2 is going to be 0.621 moles of gas. Okay, so this is reactant gas, this is product gas. And then they tell us the initial volume was 2.18 liters. So that's our V1. So V1 is 2.18 liters. And then they want what is its volume after the reaction. So they want V2. And so again, we want our amounts of gas to be in moles. So that's good. And then volume can be whatever, right? So we can keep it in liters. They don't ask for a particular volume. So we can solve for liters. So again, we're going to solve for V2. So in this case, we have, again, V1 over N1 equals V2 over N2. Okay, I think last time I had N1 over V1 and N2 over V2. That's fine, but you can solve it either way. You can put it either way. I like it this way better. And I'll explain in a future video why I like it better. Okay, so now I can solve my equation for my V2. So I'm going to multiply both sides by N2. That'll cancel out, and now I have V2 equal this. So V2 is equal to N2 V1 over N1. So I just brought the V2 over here, and now I can plug in my values. So N2 is 0.621, so 0.621 moles, and V1 is 2.18 liters, so I'm going to multiply by 2.18 liters, and then divided by N1, which is 0.120. 0.120 moles. So now I can find the moles, or the liters. So moles are going to cancel out. And now I can find the liters of gas. And so here I'm going to do 0.621 times 2.18 divided by 0.120 equals. And so I get the answer 112815. So the answer is 11.2815 liters of the gas. And so now what I need to do is I need to check my sig figs. So here I have 3 sig figs, 3 sig figs, and 3 sig figs. So again, my answer, since I multiplied and divided, my answer can only be in the least number of sig figs that I have in my measures that I multiplied it and divided by. So since the least number is 3, then I'm only allowed 3. So 1, 2, 3, and so I cut it off there. There's an 8, so that has to round up to a 3. So my answer is 11.3 liters of gas that was produced. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. I hope this was insightful in some way. So I hope this helps you with your Avogadro's law problems that you might be assigned. If you like this video, like it, share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. Make a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. And hit the notification bell so that way you can get notified for any videos I put out. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.